Life insurance is one of the most misunderstood things about growing older and raising a family. There are so many types from which you can choose, but which one's right for you? Dan Cummins is back stretching your dollar. Dan?
Mel, you probably heard of term life insurance. You get it while you're young. As you're raising a family, it's very cheap. It may take 10 years, 20 years. If something catastrophic happens, your loved ones get a payout. Now, whole life, that'll cost more. It'll have cash value that grows with time, and you can think of that as an investment.
Rule of thumb, you need life insurance valued at 10 to 12 times your annual income. But you really buy what you can afford. And yes, maybe your employer includes some life insurance with your benefits package, but that ends when you leave the company, so you'll need your own policy.
As it keeps going, you would
Brian
think
McCabe is a life insurance specialist for Savage & Associates.
I just did a quote for a 35-year-old female for a $100,000 policy, and I think it was $15 a month. If you did that when you're 55, it's probably triple that. So, it just kind of depends a lot on stuff. And generally, as we get older, health problems kind of sneak up on us, right? You've got this or that going on, and as soon as there's those health issues, then that rates the insurance higher. So while you're young, the thought is get it then while you're healthy. It's the healthiest you're ever going to be, right? Get it young while you're healthy, and then you can have that rating with you potentially for the rest of your life if you switch it to permanent.
Question, as you get older and build up wealth and the kids are grown, do you even need life insurance anymore?
If you have enough wealth build up, then one thought is that you could use that wealth to replace the need for life insurance. But what's creeping up now for a lot of folks is that need for long-term care, and you can use a permanent policy to pay for some of your long-term care. So it's important to have a strategy like that in place so that you can help fund those needs later down in life too.
I can tell you how great long-term care insurance can be. We just had to put my 91-year-old father in a retirement home. Over half the monthly cost is covered by the policy. I'm Dan Cummins, stretching your dollar.